Are you looking for the best home remodeler in Queen Creek? Well, Queen Creek homes built in the 2010s in communities like Hastings Farms, Ironwood Crossing, and Silsaman Estates were designed for function, not personalization. The kitchens have standard cabinets, the bathrooms have builder grade fixtures, and the layouts were never intended to reflect how your specific family uses the space. So, we work with homeowners throughout Queen Creek who are ready to change that. Every project starts with a full design phase where you approve the layout, materials, and 3D renderings before construction begins. That is how you get a finished result that looks exactly as planned and a price that does not change once the work gets started. So you can schedule your free in home evaluation for your Queen Creek home by setting up a discovery call with our remodel expert. So please reach out and see if we're a good fit.